Hello there. Our next exercise is a glute medius exercise, which is great for the buttock, and you'll find that it should support your pelvis more so that you're not moving around when you're walking too much and creating too much stress on your lower back. So let's have a go. I want you to lie on your side. You can stretch your arm out so that you're relaxing your head. You'll like this one, like that, so relaxing. But I want you to lift your waist up so there's a slight gap underneath. You can push your hip down to create that gap. And your knees should be bent at about a 45-degree angle. So the feet and the hip are in a straight line, like that. And your knees are stacked and hips are stacked, one on top of each other like that. All right, perfect position. So now I want you to squeeze your ankles together. As you squeeze your ankles, I want you to lift your knees and separate the top knee. And I want you to breathe out as you lift. Now you should feel this muscle here on the side of the glute, not the side, but just behind there. That's your glute medius. That should be working as you lift the knee up. Pelvis should be as still as possible, your T-zone activated as you're lifting. We're just going to do about 10 on each side. Keep those shoulders back and down. And as you lift, you're squeezing the ankles together so you feel this muscle here working. Good. Now the other side. Arm stretched out, head resting on the arm. Make sure that your ankles and your hips are in a line. You're pushing out from your waist, T-zone on. Take a deep breath in, breathing out, squeeze the ankles, lift the knee. Keeping the pelvis really still. So only lift the knee as high as you can without rocking your pelvis. It shouldn't be doing that, so you want to keep it really still. If you put your hand just behind your hip, you should feel that muscle tensing as you raise the leg. It's really important that that muscle's working. Get those butts toned. Good, and just one more. Good, you should feel that burning through there. Well done.